Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick review of the Powapacs Atom. I've just got back from a 3-night camping trip in the Lake District. The campsite I stayed at didn't have electric hookup points, so the main source of my power was the Atom. With the Atom 60,000, there was enough power for 2 people for 3 nights. We charged and powered devices such as mobile phones, torches, GoPros, iPads for watching films, and of course my drone. Without the Powapacs Atom, I wouldn't have been able to get the great shots that I did with my drone. Here's a few short clips of the footage I did get. The only advice I would give to Powapacs is to maybe include some dust covers, stop the dust and the moisture getting into the USB slots, and that's about it. Everything else was great, worked flawlessly, and I would highly recommend. I'll put links down in the description to the Powapacs website, so you can read all about the details and the specifications. Thanks for watching and thank you to Powapacs. Goodbye.